Hi guys, I tell you in this video how to copy XRP wallet address in Binance app. So first of all, you open the Binance app in your mobile phone. When you open it, this page will open. You see a option of portfolio at the downside of the page. You click on it. When you click on it, this page will be opened. Now you see option of deposit at the top of the page. You click on it. When you click on it, now you see a option of deposit crypto at the downside option. You click on it. When you click on it, this page will be opened. You see a search box at the top of the page. You click on it and search XRP. When you search XRP, now you see a wallet of your XRP wallet show here. You click on XRP wallet. When you click on it, this page will be opened and many network type will show here. You choose one network type from this. I select XRP network type and click on continue. When click on continue, now you see your wallet address will show here and copy button in front of it. You click on the copy button and your address will be copied and XRP tag will show here and in front of it copy button show here. You click on it and your XRP tags will copy it. So in this way you copy your wallet address.